This video, I'm going to show you how you can update Bibo app. By updating Bibo app, you'll be able to get the latest version of this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues or any errors associated with Bibo app. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video as well as by subscribing to my channel. Alright, to update Bibo app, you need to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and search for this app through Google Play Store by going to Play Store here, and then I'll search for Bibo here. And if I tap on it, you can see we have an update. Now this means I've been using an outdated version of Bibo Friends Chat and Calls app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Bibo app and then install it on my smartphone. Now at this point, you'll have the latest version of this app. Go ahead and tap on open, and this will go ahead and launch the latest version of Bibo app that contains the latest features. So that's how you can update your Bibo app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.